Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great Wednesday and a great Christmas Eve. Well, welcome to my Watertown Memory Wednesday, and today we're going to be working right down in here again. I know, we can't seem to get out of that corner, right? And the color is 869, and it's kind of an olive green, kind of on the pale side-ish. But yeah, we're working still on the porch. Oh, and let me bring you in. All right. Let me move my lamp. I hit it and it fell down. I mean, it didn't break or anything. It was just pushed too far down. So, everybody ready for tomorrow? Holy cow. It has been hard earned. I'm going to move them scissors before they fall on the floor. Yeah, it was a little bit busier yesterday at work, but not too bad. It was kind of chilly. Got to like 29 before I left. So that was kind of odd, but I don't think it's going to snow or anything crazy. Yeah. Now that is so not going to happen. It'll be in the 50s again today. So I'm not complaining. Came home and had my red beans and rice minus the rice. I didn't feel like making rice. Sometimes I'll just eat it like a bean soup. But it's got andouille sausage in it and ham. So it carries its own weight. But I can eat it with rice or without rice. So, yeah. So, everybody getting it together for tomorrow and all that fun stuff. I don't have to cook a thing. I already made the cookies. I told her that's what I was bringing. So, she didn't complain, didn't say I needed to bring this or that, so we're just kind of going with it. Yeah. And I only have to work until 7 tonight instead of 9. So that's a good thing. So happy about that. Not like I gotta rush home for anything. And then she said they were gonna eat about, between 3 and 4. Because, you know, they got everybody to open presents and all that, so she might not get the turkey on until later. So, fun times. And I don't know if she was going to get a raw turkey or if she was going to have one of those like kits like we got at Thanksgiving or not. So I forgot to even ask. But I have no idea. But the sides were really good with that stuff that we got for Thanksgiving, so. And everything was made, so she may go that way. I got nothing. But I know my son-in-law likes to get a butterball, you know, if they can't do the other, so we'll see. Now I gotta figure out where I need to go next. Well, I guess we're going up. Hang on. We are rearranging. I didn't know how much of this color I had left from the last time we stitched. You get kind of a gray area down here. I can't see it with this light. I'm fine if I'm sitting someplace else, but there's another green symbol that's next to some of it down in here, so I'd really have to be paying attention, so to speak. But, yeah, no other grand plans. I go into work the same time. So, yay. And last night, it was kind of busy, like, say, from the time I got there until about 7 o'clock, and then it just started dwindling down. You know, I'd get 4 or 5 people at one time, and then nobody, and then 4 or 5 people that way. But it was pretty steady there until 7 o'clock, you know, people getting off work, or people that had driven from Denver that are going to stay all night, you know, say tonight, or they had reservations at a hotel somewhere. So, yeah, and I noticed the traffic was a little bit busier out on the road in front of the store. So, I'm coming from the direction of Denver and Colorado Springs, so we'll see what today brings. Don't know. And usually by the time I leave, there might be 3 or 4 cars that are on the road at the same time I am, at the most time. So I don't have to worry about that. I only have to go around the block and we're done. Which is just lovely, and there's no snow on the road, so it makes it even easier of getting here to there. I don't think I have to go to the grocery store, so that's good. Let's see, what did I... Oh, I stitched on the rabbit in the library yesterday. I knew I stitched on something. I was just kind of done in. When I got home, I just vegged and put on Poldark and just... Whoops, get rid of that needle. And didn't do much. Just sat there like a vegetable, you know? Which happens sometimes. Sometimes it's the mental part, you know, of being there for 7 hours. Not like that's a long period of time, but there's just not much, you know, to do while you're sitting there. Because most of it's done and, you know, short of filling up the cooler, but that isn't a whole bunch, so no biggie. It's kind of nice. Now in the summer, of course, everything is totally different. You know, you got people coming, going the whole time you're there. But in the winter, it gets quite quiet. I have no idea what the ski resort situation is as far as who's got snow and who doesn't have snow. You know, some of them are a little bit higher in altitude than where we live. But we got nothing. Sorry, I gotta cut these little fringes off. Or pull them. Hi, there we go. I got it without really trying too hard. So, anybody going somewhere for Christmas, or are they having relatives in? Or do you still have kids at home that need to wake up and see Santa Claus's gifts, you know? They're still playing that game at my daughter's house. But not as extreme as it used to be, shall we say. We're trying to give it up, you know, but you still want to believe, so we're just kind of letting that lie. They'll get through it one way or another. My sister said that my nephew and his wife were coming for Christmas Eve, so they were going to do their Christmas thing today. And she lives in Cheyenne, they live in like North Denverish, so it's not too far of a trip for them, and they don't have children, so they're gonna come, and they were gonna have chili for Christmas Eve. Chili and taco salad. Sounded pretty good to me. I got no grand plans or grand illusions about what I'm having tonight. I just hadn't really thought about it. It's not something I'm gonna have to cook, so I may get out some green chili or something, or I just don't know. I got a few options. Just a few. There are two right there I'm going to get a hold of. I have to kind of lean it towards the light to see if it's like a lime green or neon green symbol, but the others are kind of a grass green. So yeah. I think. Sorry about the stopping and starting here. So made a little bit of progress on the rabbit. Got all that blue that I was working with done. So I get to start a new color. I think I picked another color in that seat part of where the there's 4 there. Where the rabbit is sitting, the cushion, let's put it that way, the cushion. Not the circular part, but the cushion. So just adding them one at a time. I pull out 6 strands and just work through it until I get that whole area done. So far so good. But I'm really enjoying working on that. I may work on the, what is it? The Christmas skating. It's a new one, you know. By the 3rd year, I'll have it, maybe, down. So, I'd like to keep working on that one as well. So, we'll see. All right. I'm going to put this down through here. Oh, goodness. Well, it's coming along. Let me pull it out. There we go. So we got another symbol here, and there's like 5 to 8 symbols right in this section. So we'll get them one at a time, but I'd have to go look it up. This one actually has a number, so we'll see. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.